Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So till now we have already seen a lot about grid system, right? And as I have already told you previously that layout using Bootstrap is really very simple and easy, right? Now here's the thing. You can create equally width contents or variable width contents in Bootstrap. Yes, friend. Now, the upcoming 2 lectures will be dedicated on this equally width columns and variable width columns. Alright. So, first equally width columns. Now, we have already seen how we can create equally width columns. Can you guess? Remember? COL, only COL. That's it. Yeah. Now, you already know this thing that Bootstrap deals with 12 column grids, right? So, if you want to have 3 equally width columns, then create contents that are of 4 grid widths. Yes, friend. So, always divide 12 by number of contents you want in that row. Say for example, you are designing services section of a company, okay? And they have like 6 services. So you want to place 3 services in one row, then next 3 other services in another row. So what you will do? And also, if you want to make it equal width, generally you will always want to make it of equally width contents. So what you will do? Number of services in each row is 3. So you divide 12 by 3. And that will be the number of columns for each content. See here. Here we have an example. The top row is having 3 equally width contents and the bottom row is having 4 equally width contents. Alright, let's take a look. So open in browser. See here. Here we have 3 equally width contents. So each are taking 4 columns. Okay. And the next one, each are taking 3 columns. Alright, if you want, I can also make it text center. So that it looks good. Yeah, now it is centered. I mean, this is centered here. This is centered here. Okay. All right. Now, this is the thing. So again, you can have 6 contents, each of width 2 columns. Okay. Yeah. So that's the thing. I know it's really very simple, but again, I want you to know all the things, so that's why I have covered this topic here. Alright, next we will take a look at different column widths. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.